Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use iCloud on PC. But before we get started, can you please subscribe to the channel, like the video and turn on post notifications. Now let's get started. Okay, so it's pretty simple. All you need to do is open your web browser, I'm using Chrome here, and look up iCloud login. The top thing that should come up has sign into iCloud to when it says da-da-da-da-da. Going to go into here, then it's going to want you to put in your Apple ID and password. So what you need to do, put your Apple ID in, press a circle with the arrow in it that I'm circling with my mouse. When you press that, a text field will come up where you put in your Apple ID password. Tap the circle with the arrow in it again and you'll get in. You can choose to keep me signed in thing as well. So I'll quickly do that now. Okay, so if it's your first time logging in on this device, it's going to want a verification code. The verification code will come up on another Apple device. I can see it over here. The verification code is going to want on my iPad over here. Then it gives you the verification code. You need to put that in and then you can start using it. Now you can choose if you want to trust the browser. I think that it's fine. It just means you don't have to do the verification code next time you log in. Now, when it loads in, it's going to give you access to stuff like your mail, your contacts, your calendar. It'll even do Find My iPhone if you've lost the device. So it's pretty cool. I can add a new notes document. I'll go into notes now. Create a new one. We can go. It's really cool as it means like if you need to get a document from your Mac or Apple device onto your PC or something, or if you've lost an Apple device and you need to find it, you can use Find My iPhone via Chrome. So it's really useful. Thanks for watching, and again, please subscribe to the channel, like the video and turn on post notifications. Peace out.